Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Update watch OS and iOS, charge your watch above 50%, and wear it snugly. Open the Health app on your iPhone to create a sleep schedule and set your bedtime window so the system knows your target. Then, make sure sleep tracking is enabled in the watch app and that wrist detection and motion and fitness permissions are granted. These let the watch detect sleep automatically. Once done, sync settings and let your watch collect baseline data for a few nights. Now you refine how tracking behaves so the data is meaningful. Configure wind-down actions and shortcuts to trigger calming apps and a reduced screen time before bedtime because consistent routines improve detection. Customize sleep mode to silence notifications, dim the display, and enable Do Not Disturb on the watch. This reduces false wake events. Wear the watch every night for about 7 nights to calibrate sensors. Then check trends in the Health app to verify sleep stages and consistency. Make small adjustments and repeat another week. To finish, review your recorded sleep sessions and nightly metrics in the Health app so you understand patterns and adjust goals accordingly. If a night is missing or inaccurate, delete that session and note what changed, battery, loose fit, or late screen use, to prevent recurrence. If tracking stops entirely, verify wrist fit, Health and watch app permissions, and background app refresh, then restart both devices. As a final step, unpair and repair the watch only if other fixes fail. This clears persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.